Welcome to day 4. You have practiced breathing. You have practiced observing thoughts. You have practiced letting go. Today, we turn toward emotions. Not to suppress them, not to amplify them, but to regulate them gently. Find a position that feels steady. Let your spine rise naturally. Let your hands rest. Allow your eyes to close when you're ready. Take one slow breath in. And a slow breath out. Let the breath settle your body. In, out. Bring your attention inward. Notice how you are feeling right now. Not how you think you should feel. Not how you felt earlier. Just now. Is there calm? Restlessness? Pressure? Fatigue? There is no correct emotion, only awareness. Emotions are sensations in the body. Notice where you feel them. In the chest, in the stomach, in the throat. Let your attention rest there. Without labeling it as good or bad. Take a slow inhale. As you exhale, imagine giving the sensation a little more space. Not pushing it away, not feeding it. Just widening the container around it. Strong emotions often tighten the body. Notice if there is tension forming. Let the shoulders soften. Let the jaw unclench. Let the breath lengthen slightly. You are not removing the emotion. You are stabilizing around it. Take another slow breath. Inhale Emotions rise. They peak. They fall. Like waves. You do not need to become the wave. You can be the shore. Steady. Present. If an emotion feels intense, acknowledge it quietly. I notice this feeling. No story attached. No analysis. Just noticing. Then return to the breath. In, out. Regulation does not mean numbness. It means balance. It means allowing emotion without letting it take control. You can feel something deeply and remain steady. For the next few breaths, practice staying with whatever is present, calm or discomfort, light or heavy. Let it exist while you stay grounded. For the last minute, rest in quiet awareness, breathing naturally, body steady, mind soft, emotions moving without pulling you away. When you're ready, take one slightly deeper breath. Feel your body again. The surface beneath you. The room around you. You have completed day 4. Tomorrow, we practice detaching from overthinking. For now, carry this understanding. Emotions can move through you without